Okay, so it's my living room. It's pretty dirty. Not as bad as it normally is. There's my dog, Elsa. Elsa. She just got done playing with the other dog. But it's a little dusty in here. I got chairs. I painted my door black, my front door. Let's see. There's the beadboard stuff. I think that's what it's called. That I'm taking off around here. I'm not throwing it away because I might use it for something. I'm not sure. And then I painted my fireplace. It's not done yet. I still do another coat. And then I'm sanding this down to a lighter wood, which is taking forever. I gotta have my dad somehow take this off and take it out to my garage so I can use my sander instead of that because that's not working. And then here's the computer area that is pretty trashed. My dog Fifi playing. I'm gonna switch out that desk with this one. This is for my sister. She wants this kitchen table. My dining room ain't too bad. I need to clean that fish tank out because the fish died. And there's noodles on the table. Just, you know, every day. I'll just show you my kids' room. I don't think I'm gonna clean them today. We're washing blankets. Her room's pretty dirty, but she usually keeps it up by herself. In my son's room, I just got him a new desk and chair. He really likes that. And then I moved his dresser that was over here, and I moved it in his closet, which I have to paint still because it's ugly. I'm not gonna show too much of his room. Oh, and then my daughter put stickers all over her door. So that's nice. Something I gotta peel off. But yeah, I'm gonna clean in the living room and the dining room and see where it goes. I might do a little video out at my mom and dad's because it's my niece's birthday tomorrow, but we're celebrating it today, so. Okay, so first thing I'm just gonna clean my stove because it's pretty dirty. I already sprayed it down. This house is so dusty all the time. Okay, and I'm just ready to get some cleaning done. I don't want to clean all day. I'm just trying to get as much cleaning as I can done today without doing it all day long.